Hi everyone. Today kita nak buat something a little bit different, which is I akan tunjuk you guys my intense skincare routine. I tak buat skincare routine ni everyday sebab dia sangat intense dan mendalam dan lama. I actually dah lama tak buat rutin ni, tapi I nak start balik sebab if you keep on buat benda ni sentiasa like twice a week, memang akan nampak the difference on your skin. First, I akan tunjuk you guys few products that I baru beli. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. This is the few products yang macam I dah lama nak try. I bought 2 moisturizer, serum, and salmon DNA, then mask. And then I nak tunjuk juga, this is a box full of skincare. It's a lot. And I don't use it all. I rasa macam I dah lama simpan produk-produk macam ni, tak elok simpan lama-lama. So I macam berfikir untuk buat giveaway. Might do a giveaway. So make sure to subscribe and like this video. But yeah, these skincare products need to go away. By the way, let's get into the video, shall we? Hi guys, this is Editing Me. Before kita start, I lupa nak mention my skin type is oily to acne prone skin / sensitive skin. My skin is quite complicated, yeah, not gonna lie. This is the routine yang macam I akan buat if I want to do an intense skincare routine, which is I want to do a facial for myself. So the process, the step is the same, tapi skincare yang I guna dalam video ni is a totally different skincare sebab I try produk baru. So I tak boleh nak cakap skincare yang I guna tu really good or really works for me yet sebab I only pakai skincare tu for 3 to 4 times now, so I can't really see the difference yet. But as for the step, it is actually how I usually do it. Like the step is exactly the same, and this step might be working for me but not be working for you. Setiap manusia, setiap individu kulit dia berbeza. So tapi inilah I just nak share apa yang I akan usually buat dekat diri I kalau I nak a little bit of self-love gitu. Marilah kita sambung. Okay, kita nak start. First thing first is a cleanser, and I nak try this new cleanser. I dah dapat ni for sometimes now tapi I tak try lagi, but I've been wanting to try it. Matcha Hydrating Cleanser. Ooh. I like the texture. So one thing you guys, if you guys bersihkan muka, make sure korang bersihkan muka korang. I mean like korang pakai cleanser ni betul-betul gonyol muka korang for 30 minutes to 30 minutes. No, 30 seconds. 30 second to 1 minute, depends on your skin type. If your skin type is dry, then 30 seconds je. So if your skin type is jenis acne prone dan oily, then give it a good massage for 1 minute, okay? Jangan lupa dekat bahagian sini sebab I pakai spek kan, so kadang-kadang kat sini pun dia jadi macam clog pores. It's time to wash my face. At the end of this video, confirm baju I akan basah kuyup. This is one thing yang I belajar and memang betul-betul membantu kulit I yang acne prone skin. Ialah jangan lap skin korang guna towel. No, towel is a no-no. Make sure korang lap korang punya skin guna facial tissue. Now, I akan guna scrub. I guna Wardah punya scrub. This one. I banyak fokus dekat bahagian hidung yang I selalu keluar tiny bumps, dan dekat bahagian dagu. Dan tu massage dia guys. Again, a tissue. Tap je muka kita. Now, apa yang akan buat ialah extraction. Guna besi ni ya, untuk keluarkan semua blackhead, whiteheads, clog pores, biji-biji jerawat yang kecil-kecil tu. Taking a toner, bersihkan sikit. Bahagian hidung tu kita basahkan sikit. Settlekan cermin. I'm going to zoom it a bit so you guys boleh nampak how disgusting it is.
Brother, what's that?
Cut the whiteheads yang keluar dari hidung I. Done extraction. Now, if you have sensitive skin, then you might want to skip this part. It's basically a peeling solution. I know this product famous dekat TikTok. I guna ni, tapi I can only use it for 30 seconds, not more than that. Kalau tak, I punya kulit akan irritated. Oh no. I pakai nipis je. I tak pakai tebal pun. Okay, 30 saat sahaja, not more than that. 30 saat sahaja. Okay, 30 second over. My skin feels so soft already. Tapi tak sampai setengah pun lagi kita punya step ni. Step to use the device. First step yang you guys perlu buat ialah masa korang punya kulit tengah clean, bersih, tak ada apa-apa, mode air shot ni. Buat macam ni, tap dekat muka. So what it does, it helps with pores, acne scars, dark spot macam tu. Dia macam dermapen, tapi this one ni macam menggunakan udara sebab tu dipanggil air shot. Macam tu lah. Saya akan buat 1 minit. It's past. Pakai hidung pula. Now I akan bersihkan muka I guna toner. Remove excess dirt from my skin before kita pakai skincare. Don't forget the neck. Masa untuk skincare saya akan pakai this one dulu. Saya pakai soothing pad ni dulu sebab pakai peeling gel ni muka akan rasa sensitif gila. Macam tu. I baru perasan I dapat Skin punya serum spray ni. So kita nak try. You know what? I tak akan pakai ni sebab I baru perasan I tak nak sebab I baru perasan yang dia ada oil dalam dia. Kulit I doesn't really do well with oil. So I'm gonna skip this one. Tarik. Bawa satu muka, sapu kat dahi juga. Bahagian mata. Ada 2 mask kat sini. GM Solution ni mask yang I suka pakai. Memang I selalu pakai. I beli ni kat Watson. I suka mask ni. But this one is the Medicube one yang I baru beli. So I rasa I nak pakai Medicube one ni sebab hari ni kita banyak pakai produk Medicube sebab skincare yang I baru beli daripada Medicube. So Medicube it is. Buang dulu ni. Oh, stop. Before I pakai mask memang I akan letak rubber tea dulu supaya dia ada macam cooling effect macam tu. I know some people suka pakai mask last kali, tapi for me, I punya skincare routine, I memang suka pakai mask before I pakai the rest of my skincare supaya boleh massage dulu I punya kulit guna mask punya solution ni. After I dah pakai this for 10 to 20 minutes, dia akan ada leftover solution yang melekat kat kulit you yang agak banyak. So benda tu macam bagus untuk korang guna as a massage punya product, which is I akan guna dengan device ni kejap lagi. But for now I'm just going to let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes. This is the routine yang macam I used to do a lot before I kahwin hari tu. Tapi and then after kahwin I macam stop jaga I punya skincare routine. So macam dia nampak lah difference bila kita betul-betul jaga kulit kita dan bila kita macam neglect it a bit. Lepas tu nak jadikan cerita hari tu, I jumpa Aden Tasnim. If you guys doesn't know her, check out her Instagram, TikTok. I love her. So dia banyak share pasal skincare routine juga, and she also use this device. Lepas tu makin hari I jumpa dia makin flawless kulit dia. Sampai I tanya dia, you ada pergi buat facial ke? Sebab your skin looks so damn flawless. Macam makin nampak firm. And then she used to have like large pores and acne scars as well. Tapi dia macam dah tak ada. Lepas I tanya dia, you pergi buat facial ke kan? Bila? Lepas tu dia cakap tak, dia tak buat facial. Memang dia amalkan pakai ni je. Aku macam, tell me more. Dia pun cakap lah rutin dia buat. But dia memang rajin lah buat. Dia memang tak skip buat benda ni. At least 3 times a week. At least 2-3 times a week macam tu. So dia memang sentiasa buat. And she also shared some of the skincare product yang dia guna. So I pun macam okay lah, teracun. Dan I pun belilah certain product tu. I macam nak start balik this routine. Because for me, it's important to take care of yourself, especially in terms of physical and mentally. Because when you are confident with yourself, you automatically akan feel good about yourself. Faham tak? Sebab I feel like kita not being honest sekarang ni. So I've been feeling quite down for this past few weeks. I don't feel like myself. So this is why I macam decided untuk buat this video, a motivation for me to keep going and just do something for myself. Love yourself. It's already been like 11 minutes. Usually I pakai lama lagi, but for now I macam dah ngantuk. So aku nak cepat-cepat habiskan skincare routine ni. Buka. Nampak? There's a lot of leftover products dekat muka you. Saya akan ambil this device lagi and I akan pakai mode booster mode. So this booster mode dia membantu untuk buat the produk serap dalam kita punya muka. Now I akan guna microcurrent punya mode. And urut dia macam ni ke atas. Okay. Microcurrent ni untuk fine lines, wrinkles, untuk buat kita punya muka lagi nampak firm dan tegang. Nampak tak? One Shot punya mood ni. But this one banyak fokus dekat bahagian jaw. Nampak? It twitches my mouth. Nampak? Memang gerakkan masa kita. Kita ratakan sikit produk tu all over your skin. Keringkan sikit produk ni. Look at the glow already. Now I'm going to try this new serum yang beli. Bau dia agak refreshing. Love. Bagi masa sekejap supaya dia meresap. Now I akan guna serum yang firming. Baru juga, I baru nak try pakai. This one is from Laneige. Dia bouncy and firm serum gitu. Sebabkan ni serum untuk firming, so I akan guna microcurrent punya mood. Sebab microcurrent punya mood ni untuk firming. So always know the products that you are using, so that you guys tak salah guna produk yang korang beli tu. Sebab if korang pakai it properly, then baru korang akan nampak kesan dia. Kalau korang salah pakai tu yang tak nampak kesan, jadi membazir lah duit bila beli tu. Sekarang pukul 2.30 pagi ya. Actually dah almost 3 pagi. Keringkan lagi. I promise you kita almost siap, janji. Nak try this new PDRM Pink Collagen Capsule Cream Moisturizer, I believe. This one pun macam ada salmon DNA dalam dia. So macam I interested nak try salmon DNA punya produk. Ooh, so satisfying. So kita should ambil dia by capsule macam tu. Betul? Macam tu. Oh, it's thick. Patut ambil satu capsule je. Okay guys, dia agak thick. I patut ambil satu capsule je, tapi tak apalah. Wow, so thick. Sekejap. My god, it's so thick. Look at the glow already. Love gila. Now this, I've been wanting to try this. Ni adalah salmon extract. Salmon egg extract. I beli 5 je dulu supaya nak try. Dia macam tu ya. This booster mode. Okay, guna booster mode supaya dia betul-betul meresap dalam kulit I. This is my first time trying salmon egg extract. Agak banyak untuk satu kapsul ni, tapi I kena habiskan. And I akan guna the rest of it dekat leher I. I pakai Skintific punya eye serum ni, eye cream. Dekat bawah atas mata sekali ya. Now final step, lips guys, lips. Vaseline ataupun Skintific punya lip serum ni, it's either two. So I think I pakai Skintific punya lip serum hari ni. Pakai lip serum ataupun Vaseline before tidur. Okay, that was it. It's 3:20 AM in the morning already, so I dah ngantuk, so I takkan cakap banyak. So I nak tidur dulu. Bye. So that's it for this video. I tak end the video properly sebab I dah ngantuk gila. Dah pukul 3.30 pagi time tu. But anyways, that was it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. I would love to share it. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.